back to Max Tech Studios, and today I'm going to show you 12 amazing Apple Watch tips and tricks that you never knew about. Let's get to it. The first one we have is with your apps. So you can see they're laid out here in this beautiful looking grid. If we turn something around, you can see it looks nice like that. But there's actually a simpler way to do it. If you hold on and click List View, then you can view all your apps in a list like this. And then you can click whichever one you want. You can scroll with your finger, whatever you want. Next one is really handy. So you can see here we're in the watch face. You can swipe up for Control Center. You can swipe down for notifications. But say when you're in an app, so if we go to stocks, for example, you can't actually swipe down or up to go to the Control Center. But what you can do is you can hold from the top and then swipe down and it'll go to notifications. And same with Control Center. Hold at the bottom, swipe up, and it takes you to Control Center. A lot of cards, or even just one card on your Apple Pay, for example, maybe an Apple card or just a regular credit card. A quick way to get to it on your watch to use it as a credit card is just by double tapping the sleep wake button, and then it can instantly take you there and you can pay with the NFC built into the watch. Really helpful for swimmers or just people who deal with water a lot. If you're about to go swimming or somewhere near a bunch of water, there's a feature you can turn on in Control Center. Swipe up and then find the water droplet. This turns on water lock, which means you cannot touch the screen and it will not do any accidental touches or anything like that. Once you're done with your workout or whatever near the water, just turn the digital crown and then you can swipe. Switch around the app layout on your watch without needing to use the watch app on your iPhone. Then simply go to your apps screen and just hold on an app until it kind of jiggles like this. And then you can drag it wherever you want, just like that, and then press this button when you're done. If you're trying to check your heart rate, a way to make it go a bit faster and more accurate is by holding your finger on the digital crown. You don't actually press it. You can see now I'm at 122 beats per minute, so pretty fast. An Apple Watch with a curved screen like the Series 4 or the Series 5, and you're viewing photos, double tap to get the full shape of the photo. This lets you see the photo better. If you want to go back, then just double tap again. If you want to respond to a message quickly without having to type or say what you want to do, use a tap back. Simply double tap on the message, and then you have these options. You have a heart, you can like it, you can dislike it, you can say it's funny with haha, question mark, exclamation mark, whatever you want. And just like that, you can respond. This next one is especially useful for when you're in the middle of something or some scenario when you can't actually touch or look to see what the time is. Watch what happens when I put two fingers together on the screen.
10:53 a.m.
It tells you the time verbally. Scrolling through an app and you want to get to the top. We'll see that little clock at the top that tells you the time. Just tap that and it immediately takes you to the top. If you're in the middle of an app and you quickly want to switch to the next one, simply double tap the digital crown. The next one will definitely come in handy if you lost your phone. When you're in your watch face or anywhere, go up to the Control Center and click that button right there with the phone and the lines. This will make a noise out of your iPhone. The reason why I'm not doing it now is because I'm recording and it'll stop recording if I press the button. But if you lost it in the dark, then you can actually hold the button and then it'll not only make a noise, but it'll also flash with a flashlight. I hope you enjoyed this Apple Watch video, and if you want to see more tech videos like this, then definitely be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you won't miss the next one. And until then, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.